Hi everyone. I also make a use the Google Meet to have someone cannot join to the class today. So you are on here and use join to the my own Google Meet for easy to see the screen and to see the note I write on the board. Oh, the connection. Let me check the connection and the sound. Now I will share the screen. In the last week, I have make a live stream section regarding to this terminology and delegate, but unfortunately, I use Vietnamese, and so it's make more difficult for you or in to understand the Vietnamese meaning. So I will review and take a review about what I have done, what I did in the live stream section for you all, and to make sure that you can understand the knowledge before going further with the subject. And for anyone want to take the source code regarding to the live stream section, you can reach to my GitHub. Yeah, and you can go to my GitHub with the following URL. Yeah, I will copy and send the URL for you to take the source code. Yeah, you can reach to the my GitHub folder, GitHub repo to get the source code. But for today, I also do the code again for your C# craftsman, and go to the hands-on folder. Hands-on, and you see the source code. New Year, 24 New Year means the source code I make in the live stream section, but today I do it again for you all to make sure that you understand about this technique and this feature of C#. Well, you can download the Delegate inside out. Inside out means we talk all about the Delegate. Extract it to see the project. Extract it. So I do it at my local machine. Yeah, take it once. This solution to see the smart source code regarding to the Delegate feature. So I copy it. Now download it and go to the source code folder to create a new folder. We move to the new folder. Section 4 collection temporarily suspend a little, and I will back to this one. Whenever we've finished with the Delegate, we will back to this one. Now, create a new folder. Section 5 Delegate. Yeah, Delegate. And extract the source code from my GitHub to this folder and open the solution anyone in this class, you can join to my Google Meet for easy to see the screen if you are far from the screen. Now I drag it, I copy it, and open it. Now open the project and solution. Delegate inside out. There are multiple source code regarding to this one, both using delegate in a standard way and using the delegate in the anonymous method way and in the lambda expression. But today I make it again, I code again for you all. So they just for reference to review. Now right click on this one. Right click on this one, solution, add new project to work with the delegate, new project. And you must master about delegate. Just it is applied for a multiple rich feature, special with the link queue and with the list and collection. You must master about it before you can conquer the new feature and the powerful feature of the collection. Control up and next, and you type the input the project name as the delegate overview review. Version 1, just because later on we will have the version 2 with the multiple way we work with the delegate. Review version 1. Next. You know that in the last class section we talk about delegate. Delegate is a nickname. Delegate is a nickname of a method. That means we can call a method by using another name. That's all. So for now, I create a method as a normal. And you know there are 4 kinds of methods based on the input and output. A method can have no input and return nothing. The method can have some input and return nothing, void. And a method can take no input but return a value. And a method can take some input and return one value. So there are 4 different kinds of methods. And for each method, for now, we give it a name. Give a name. So a method has, for now, has at least 3 different names. And you can call a method by using direct name, the original name, and call by the nickname. Whenever you call a method by nickname, using a nickname, we call the method indirectly. Indirectly means delegate. I represent for you. I am a presenter for you. I and you are the same. Like a lawyer and the client, như là luật sư và thân chủ. The lawyer stands for the client. And whenever the client wants to talk something, the lawyer talks something. It's the same. Luật sư và thân chủ cùng một cách hành xử. But it's a one story. Now, so you know that in my previous class section, you know that a delegate in behind the scene is a kind of class. It's an object, is a kind of class. So it has a equal priority in the comparison with the interface and class. So you try in here. Now, try make some note in here. Open and close bracket mean we have a package that hold multiple class inside. Namespace or bracket. Namespace, the same with package. A box to hold or to store multiple kind of object, of class, sorry. And interface. Interface, we will study about it maybe in the end of this week or the next week. Interface. So for now, you can define this is a class. Class is a mode, a template to produce something. And we have public student, public class, sorry. Student here. As normal. Property and attribute or method as normal. You know that you can put multiple class in a same package or same delegate. You know about it. But in the class before, I always create a class in a separate file. But you can create multiple class in a one source file like this. We have the program file, a program file, but we have multiple class inside. Or you can create a separate class for separate files, like right click and add class. But one class, one file. But you can add more and more class in one physical file, but in the same namespace. And you know that a delegate is a nickname. Nickname, a second name of a method. And it is also a special class behind the scene. Behind the scene or in background. Also define a delegate means define. Also define a special class behind the scene. So it can appear in the same level with class interface. There are only three. Yeah, appear the same. That means one class, the other class, and the other interface, and the other delegate definition in here. So you can define the general name for a set of method that share the same format. the method that share the same format. In here, outside any class. Just because the delegate is treated as a class. So for now, you can write like public class. For example, I want to talk about the method with no input, no output. I want to talk about the set of methods like this. So public class void, public class no input, no output, delegate. I mean, I define a class that stands for this class stand for a set of same format method. So it will store inside a name or list of name of methods. A name of a method. A method. This class. And you see, I write a pseudocode. Pseudocode means an example of a code, but it's not actual a code that follow a strict standard format. Underscore name of method. Nickname. A class to store a name of another method. Give it a nickname. Later on, it will equal with. But also we need a class. Also we need a constructor to fill in. Don't worry about the error. I just use the pseudocode. To understand the SDK runtime in runtime mode, the .NET runtime mode. How SDK runtime X run in background to work with delegate. Nickname of method string. Yeah, I want to store a name of a method or list. String. Nickname of method. Yeah, I can even store a list of method. Name of a separate nickname, multiple nickname. So we need the name string, the name of method outside need to store inside this class. Yeah. I declare a variable and I put, yeah, you see the name of. I write a code in a pseudocode just to explain for you how the .NET SDK in runtime to treat with the nickname of a method. Just I violate the naming convention, so write a little, make a modification a little. So this is a kind of class. But if you name the class like this, I do not know which type of the method I will work with. No input, no output. It's the name, but what is the format of the method need to pass in here. This name is the full meaning, but it did not show the format of the method. So actually, I write the code like this: void app, void app, nothing. With this code, that means no input, no output delegate is the name of the multiple method that have the following format. So if a method have the format like this, it belongs to this class. Like if you have the ID, if you have name, if you have phone, you have email, and special GPA and major, you will fall in the student class. Student class is the class to store the information of each person. So to store the name of a specific method or multiple method, we create a class to store the name of a method. Give it a name. So this is a kind of class. It's equal with the student class. We put the information into the constructor, and later on, this one will take the value of this one. You see? So if I write the code underscore nickname string underscore. Sorry, this code is nickname of this one equal with this one. Don't worry about the error, just a pseudocode. Yeah. So for now, you know how to store a name of method by create a separate class like this. Don't worry about the error. I just demonstrate about how the SDK in runtime will generate the class like this. Generate class like this to store the name, a multiple name of the method, like to store information of a student. So this code is so, remember this, the level of this declaration, the same level with the class student, the same level with class program. You see? But I make a comment. Instead of write the code in the long and with a difficult to understand, for now, Microsoft suggests you do not need to write in the long like this. Just write in a simple way, like delegate. Write the delegate here. But make the code suggestion correction. So you need to comment this. Comment. Make the comment. Select all of this code and Control K C to make the error disappear. I just the demonstration for you how to create a class to store the name of the other methods. I focus only the name of method. I do not focus on the job information, the lecturer information, the dog information, pet information. No, I don't want to talk about this kind of information. I just focus on I want to store only the name of a method. Give a method with a different name. So I follow the standard of how to design a class. And a class is a template to store and to produce the multiple objects. And for now, a shortened way to declare a class to store the name of methods. A shortened way to declare. Instead of make a class like this, just declare like declare delegate. Remember to write down outside the end of class, but inside a namespace. Instead of write a design class in a long sentence, just write in a shortened way. Delegate. Select on this. Just take this sentence. Instead of make a drag and drop by using the mouse, just only double click, right double click on this one, right double click to select the whole word. Double click, Control C. Double click to select the whole method. Void. That's all. With this sentence, the short sentence equal with the four of this. Equal with the four of this. That's why I said that in the early of this class. The delegate is a kind of class, and it will be treated as the same level with the other class and interface. Interface and class, interface and inheritance we will study in the next week. Now, delegate void no input and no output. It's the same with this one. In the background, whenever you run the app. But for now, just think about. And for now, this declare this class stand for all method like void app, Now, so it is also no input, no output. Also is a data type, and you know the relationship between the data type and value and variable. I said in the last class section. So student also a data type. If we write this, student also is a data type. And if you want to use student, you declare a variable student as equal with new student to put the information inside a most inside a class by using constructor, a value, a data type, and a variable to work with a specific value. The same with int year of birth equal with 2003. So if we consider it as a data type, or you stand for any kind of method with this format, so it's time for you to apply the formula data type, variable, and value. I want to work with a specific method. Tôi muốn làm việc với một cái biến cụ thể, một giá trị cụ thể, một cái hàm cụ thể. A specific value, a specific student. So where is the specific method? Oh, this is just the data type, not a value, not a specific. Data type, specific value, a student with info, a value. So if you are a class, I need to fill in a specific method. And for now, to work with this, we need to declare a method. First, specific nghĩa là cái mà hàm cụ thể. Tôi là nickname cho một hàm cụ thể, cho nên phải có hàm cụ thể. Now, I declare a method, specific method, before I apply the formula, the most famous formula, variable, data type, and value. Now, to declare a method, you must put the method inside a class. You know about that. Working with OOP, data type, a data variable, and the method put in the same package, encapsulate with a class. Bạn biết rồi, một cái hàm không thể đứng một mình, bắt buộc phải ở trong class. This is not a method. This is a class, not a method. Data type lies student. Class, not a method. Method must be put into a class. So we have a class like this. So we put some specific method in class in here. Specific method in here. Specific method in here. And these are data type, a class to store multiple objects. Like I will store multiple objects. I will store multiple methods. Later on, so we need to have a method first before we use this. And we have the value already by whenever human know about the thinking, know about how to count the number, we also have a list of number. So it's more natural to use like this. But for student, a little special with the organize the complex value. But for now, we need to work with it. Oh, I stand for multiple methods, so we need to have a method first. Vậy thì mình định nghĩa cái hàm trước đã rồi bắt đầu mình dùng biến được. Now, just because we work with a method with void and take no input, so I put some in here with format of void app. Now, remember to put the method inside a class. Outside a class is the other class and the other interface or the other delegate. Nhớ nhá, class bằng class bằng class, class bằng interface bằng delegate, ngang cơ nhau. But methods must be put inside a class. That is an encapsulation. Now, static. Remember this. We work with a program class, and we create another method in the same level with the man, and we call it in the man as a traditional way you work. Whenever you work with we beginning with any kind of programming language. Void say hello, and we write the code here. CW. Hey, I found that. Hey, found that. Delegate. Is so exciting. Yeah, a method like this. Just show the message. And another method in the same format. Say hi. But instead of using the traditional way to write a method with the open and close brackets, for now I use the expression body. Delegate means a nickname of a method. Yeah, say hi and say hello. Two methods are the same format. and it follow this format. Void the function name and no input, the same. So data type and two different specific method. And for now, the standard formula, the legendary formula, data type variable equal with specific value. We talk overall all value, specific value, give it a name. You are here, I give each one a name. Sorry, parent of your parent gives you a name, so I call you as a name, not a full information. Full information is you are here, but it's a nickname of you, and you are belong to the group. So for now, group nickname to call you a thing, yeah, and you are belong to, it is belong to the nickname, belong to group. So I make it again, I explain it again for you to understand the relationship between the triple factor, data type, variable, and specific value. Now, int, you know, int year birth equal with 2003. You know, student s equal with new student. The same, treated the same, a specific one. Now, no input, no output delegate. Oh, you are the group name of the multiple method that share the same feature. Oh, you have the feature of void and nothing input. I stand for the multiple, so I call one. I want to work with a one. So message. It's a variable equal with. I want to work with a specific method below. Tao muốn nói về một cái hàm cụ thể ở bên dưới. There are two different specific methods already defined here. So I want to talk about one. So new, it's a class. So new, no input output, and target. You see, target means, oh, you want to store the name of a method. That's right. So put it in the constructor of a class, and then we store the name of the method you want to give a name. So a class always need at least one constructor to construct an object. So for now, I want to mention about a new student. I want to mention about a new nickname of a method. The same. So put what? Say hello. Oh, this is the first way to work with. For now, show message and say hello are the same. For now, the method say hello can call it as show message. The same. Two name for one code below. For one. So show message and the say hello are the same. I am talking about a method, specific method. And this method belong to a group delegate below. So for now, so message stand for is a representative. Tôi đại diện cho. That is a lawyer. That is a client. So the relationship and mối quan hệ. The relationship for now. So message as a lawyer. Luật sư. And the say hello as a client, thân chủ. So what the lawyer said, what the client said is what the lawyer said. What is client said is the lawyer said. And the same. That is so delegate. Delegate means, oh, you talked for me. Delegate means you talk for me about it. For me. I am so lazy to talk. Gọi một cách gián tiếp, đại diện cho, tao ủy quyền cho. Now, for now, so message and for now, so message equal with the say hello. So call the hello, run hello, say hello. Like this. So run so message like this. Like this. So put the brackets in here. Now, remember this with this method. Do not put the open and close like this. No, do not. Just if you write like this, that means run this method. Run with method with the open and close the round brackets. No. Just give the name first. We make a contract. Ký hợp đồng đã. You stand for me. Stand for me. And for now, it's time to run the method. Say hello as a traditional. Call the method directly. Chạy cái hàm này đi, chạy trước thử coi đã. Run it first to check. Now, run. Oh, it's not so fun just because you call the method as normal. Wait a minute. Oh, I like up to set the project as a startup. So anyone in the Google Meet outside can follow my lecture? Yes.
Yep, I'm following just fine. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Now, run it to see. Run. Oh, it's not funny. I know about it from whenever I work with the C, not by a C sharp. I found that Delegate is so exciting, but you not call You are not called the delegate already. For now, I will show message. Instead of I will say hello. Just because we are the same. So for now, say hello. Sorry. Show message. Show message. Open and close. The same way. And come make a comment like this. To call a method, use open and close round brackets. Ngoặc tròn. So say hello and show message are the same. So I call show message with this. Oh, you see. Now delegate rent. Now the lawyer talk for you. The lawyer talk for you. Instead of you talk directly, you say directly. Understand what I mean? Call a method by using the nickname, the second name, the nickname. Indirectly, using a method indirectly. Call method by second name. Not call the original name. Okay, now you know about this. So how about I want to call the say hi. So how to call the say hi? How to call the say hi? Oh, you know that show message stand for any method with the no input and no output. So show message is a variable. I give it show message equal with directly say hi. You can use it directly instead of using new. Yeah, can it say hi? So now to call say hi directly or to call it indirectly. So message open and close the same with say hi open and close. The same. So for now, delegate mean a nickname of method. So you will see the name. Delegate man. It's okay. Now, take a more complicated with work with this. You see in my background story, I said that this delegate also a class and it can hold more and more method instead of only one. You use the delegate in the previous code, you store only one method at a time. But if you want to work with multiple methods, that means in the design of this class, we also reserve a list. Ta đã dự phòng một cái list to store multiple methods at the same time. For now, create a new man method. Select all the man method. It's so long. Select the man method. Keep the say hello and say hi the same, but select the man method. Make it at a comment out it. Control key C to disable this man. It's finished with responsibility. Nó đã xong nhiệm vụ rồi. Now create a new main method. Create new main method. SVM tab to have a new main method. You see the suggestion. Oh, you need to declare a specific student. No, I need to declare a nickname for a specific method below. So no input, no output. Delegate mean we talk about the multiple method with the same format. No input, no output. And so message. I say instead of using new, no input with the say hello, put in here. It's a standard way to call it. And for now, I don't want to use this. I use it in a shortened way. Declare. Delegate. Var in a shortened way. Like. Now, this is a standard. Way. Here above. Now, instead of use this, I copy it in here. Just copy it. Make it as a comment. Now, equal with. Put the name of method directly instead of no new need. No new need. It is called in background. Yeah, new is called in background. We do not need to use new here. Just directly assign the name. So you see that. Oh, so message is another name of say hello. So message is the second name of say hello. Delegate. So that is a lawyer. You know about this. Lawyer. It is the client. Luật sư và thân chủ. Yeah. For now, so message is say hello. I stand for, and sometimes so message in if you read in the internet and some ebook. So message is a variable, is a pointer to point to a method, specific method, or to point to a list of methods. So delegate is also so called as a function pointer. I am a function pointer. I point to the function. Or function in the plural. Tôi chọn đến một hàm hay nhiều hàm. Now, and for now, I want to point to the multiple method. So if you try to this, now copy the method. Now to see the amazing thing. Instead of say hello, I want to say hi. So I replay it, say hi here. Now to see the result and call the method. So message open and close. So to see the result. Now guess, just set the result. Just guess the result. How many messages do we have? How many messages? How many messages? Now, I equal with say hello. Later on, I equal with say hi. And I call the method. I am a lawyer. I stand for you. Later on, I stand for you. So, which one? Right now, I support 4, support 2. Vậy xem màn hình nó in những message nào? Hay 2 message? Run it. Say hi. You know that at a time, a variable store one value. Before, I point to say hello. But later, I point to say hi. So, I call the say hi. That's all. Now, no, I want to show the 2 messages. The delegate support it. 1 message. It's like in year birth equal with 2003. And later on, you add a command line year birth equal with 2004. So what is the value of year birth? Actually is 2004. Tại thời điểm chỉ một biến thôi. Ở một value thôi. So it's the same with this one. Now make this command. Write like this. So message plus equal with another way. If you write this, you so message for now store multiple methods. One lawyer support multiple clients. Một luật sư biện hộ cho nhiều khách hàng. Ai cấm ở ngoài đời đúng không? A lawyer can support for many clients. This technique is so-called multicast delegate. You can search this keyword in the internet to see what I have talked. Multicast delegate mean, back to the previous, back to this one. Whenever I create the delegate, I reserve a space to store multiple methods. So for now, to use this list, you must use the plus equal operator instead of use equal. Equal means at one time we store and point to one method. But with this, enable the feature of I want to point the multiple methods. Now, if you try, guess how many messages do we have? 2. Make a comment on all of this. The man only have this one, this assignment, and later one you plus equal, dấu cộng bằng. Dấu cộng bằng nó cũng giống như phép toán bình thường, cộng bằng là cộng dồn. Accumulate. You see, if you have a in a equal with 10, later on a plus equal 10, we have 20. Accumulate. Cộng dồn. Góp. So remember this. And run it to check Oh, for now we have two messages. The first one is sorry. Oh, I like up to show the message, to call the method. They just a contract, make a connection, and for now is a time to run. So show message, sorry, to run it. Oh, run. Two message. Oh, two message. One from say hi and one from the say hello. To make sure that you make no change. So with 1 and 2 for differentiate, make a message in more clearly to see the result. Make a number in here to check 1 and 2. And for now, we make the connection with the message 1, and also we add the message 2. So we'll see 1 and 2 in the result again to check it again. One and two. So one statement but two methods are run. Thấy không? Một lời gọi hàm nhưng hai thằng chạy luôn. Sorry. Okay. Now, another way to call instead of call this. You know. Now, back to this. Just because the delegate is an object variable, so with this class of delegate, it also supports so many default methods. Many default methods. So to call the method behind the nickname, the new way. The second way, sorry. So I make a sorry. I make a wrong position. This. No. So the message dot invoke instead of using the delegate và directly, you can use the method of it using invoke. Invoke means call of method store. Inside. So message directly. So we have the two way to call a method. Three way. The first one, call directly. The second one, call by this variable, the object variable. And the later, call by the method of it. This variable. Just because this is the object variable. I point to a new big memory zone. So inside it, we have the multiple name put inside. Call it directly by using this name or by call the method inside. Invoke. So back to this class, I make it on this. We have a method, invoke method in here. Also, we have a public void invoke in the comment and in the comment. And whenever you call invoke is called will call all of inside method. Những method ở bên trong. So for now you can use this one, invoke. I just finished with the first way to work with the delegate. So the invoke. Now move to the next level to deal with the delegate. It's okay. Now we move to the second version. Just copy this one. Just copy this one. Copy this one. But add new project to work with the new feature of delegate. Now right click on this. Right click on this. Add a new project. We name new project. We name it as a delegate review version 2. Create a new project, delegate review version 2. Next, the same. Let me check the sound. Let me check the sound. When I am recording the video for this class. Yeah. To check the sound, it's okay. Now we paste the two method in here. Paste the old two methods in here. Now you know a method always is the standard name of a standard structure of a method, including the asset modifier. I want this method to be used in the outside or inside only. The return value, and we have no return value using void. The method name, open and close round brackets mean we will take the parameter in here, and this is the body of method. And if the body of method contain only one statement, we can reduce the open and close brackets to use in a certain way. We call it as a expression body. Now, expression body. Expression body. And for now, we study a new feature, a new keyword. And I know that during you use the expression body or you use the as a traditional format, you are the same format. Void, no input, void, no input. So I make a delegate to stand for this one. Now declare the delegate. Remember that the delegate is the same level with the class. So declare it outside a class. Delegate void, no input again. I do not copy from the version 1. Write it again to make the scale more better. No input, no output. Delegate. Open and close. Mean I am here. I am a class. A class stand for method like void app. It's okay. Now call it, use it. No input, no output. So message. equal with, say hello. And using it, make a connection, make a nickname of say hello. I write it again. And so masses equal with say hello. So where you use say hello, you can use so masses. Where you say hello or call hello, you can use so masses. Yeah. Whenever the client said, the lawyer said, in the same, luật sư và client, khách hàng nói là một. Delegate mean representative for me. Take my role, làm giống nhau. Now, and use so message to check if the first message is, now make a modification. One nasty message. Run. Let's say. It's the same, like, oh, I like up to set it as a startup project. Make it as a startup project to see to run the correct project. Run it. One first SD message is okay. Now, I ask you to do a new thing. Now, the challenge. Print out for me. Print out for me. Print the list of number from 1 to 100. Remember this. Print the list of. That means this method will take no argument, no input, just print out. So do it as normal. Be concentrated, be focused about it. I introduce a new feature. Be concentration. Tập trung chỗ này nha. Now, print the list of number. Yeah, just print. Do not need any other extra information. From 1 to 100 is more clearly. No need, no information needed. Just print out. So there are three ways to do this. We have two ways. The first one, declare a method like this. Declare a method like this. The first way, declare a traditional method, an explicit method. Khai báo hàm như truyền thống. Now, do it again. Static void print integer list. Make it before the say hello outside the main, but inside the class program. You know about that. A method must be put into a class. But this is not a method. It's a class. Stand for multiple value, but focus on the method. It is a kind of class, but written in the shortened way. Now, but a method must be put inside a class. Now, CW is a quite trivial method. Hàm này dễ mà. The list of integer from 1 to 100. For choose a for loop, type 4 and choose the second one and just hit enter. Equal with 100 and 0 and CW. Right line or right not line, new line. Using I plus, these are the first way. Right. And the second way is the interpolation or placeholder. Placeholder means we need a string I and with a space. And the third is the placeholder 0. It depend on 0. The same. I will write mean write a number and a space and the next number and the space and the next number in the same line, not multiple lines. The same. Now, so how to call this method? How to call it? Just call it as normal. Print. Call the method directly. Run it to see. Now, run. And this is not our topic for today. You know to call a method as normal. But to check the result, it's okay. 1 to 100 is okay. Now, no, I don't want to call directly. So call indirectly by using delegate. So you show message. Instead of point to the say hello, now I point to the print the integer list. Just because this kind of method share the same format. Có đúng không? Chấp bên trong xử lý là gì? Quan trọng nhất là cùng định dạng thôi. Chơi luôn. The same format. I do not care how the method run inside. Just the same format. So message equal with print the integer list. No need to use open and close round bracket. No, not use during the contract connection signing. Đăng ký hợp đồng mà. Thì chỉ gọi tao đại diện cho mày. I represent for you. Now, call it. So, the message. Oh, it's okay. Run. For now, call the method by using the nickname. Call the method by using second name, nickname, delegate name, by using the pointer, by using function pointer. So message is a pointer. I point to this method. And for now, I run the method. If I put the open and if I put this, see, It's the same with possessive, but it's like the core method. You see the relationship between make the condition first, and for now, run the contract later. Run the contract later. It's okay. And now there are 3 ways to do this. The first one, declare a traditional method. Okay. Now I ask you to do print the next level of challenge. Print the even number from 1 to 100. That means I want to see 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and something like that. Next level, print the even number. So how to do this in this case? How to do this? Oh, do not think that, oh, I need to make another method and make the for like this. It's good, but do not do this. Just focus on the process. I don't want to focus on the function name. I just think about, oh, how to write the method like this. For from 1 to the end of the array or to the end of the list. Check if it can even number. Oh, and print now. So whenever we think about the method, you think about the algorithm. Think about the internal process instead of a method name. Just because the method name you can name it as whatever you want. Cái tên hàm nó không quan trọng đâu. Quan trọng nhất là cái xử lý bên trong. So I do not want to think about it. I just think about how to make a for. Turn around, yeah. Turn it around. Yeah, it's a for. Yeah. Think about it. I don't care about the method name. I can name as Ngọc Trinh, my dream girl. Oh, I don't care about the function name, method name. Just think about this one. And I share with you a second way to print out. The first one is declare the traditional method. The second one way is use anonymous method. Second, using anonymous methods. That means for now I just focus on the process instead of focus on the name of method. We focus on the process of a method. We don't care about the name of method. Just because the name, whatever you want. Now, just focus on the process of a method, the internal process, like this. So, amazing thing is a begin now. So message is a pointer. So message is a pointer equal with a method put in here. Method name put here. Method name put here as normal. You know about it. We need a method like this. For example, so method with this. And you see, with this, now make a connection between this. You see, print list here, and I equal with you, and you are here. You are here. Take a look on it. I stand for you, and I know that you have the internal process like this. So why don't I copy all of this, put directly in here? Should we focus on the process? And we do not need to focus on the name. So copy this to this. That means we have, oh, I have a name. I process the data like this. So copy all of this in here, put it in here. So what does is the name of this method? Oh, the name of this method called show message. Instead of use two different names, we use the nickname to declare a method without a name. Now, make comment it, and make a copy. No, I don't want to use this name. I just focus on this one, the process. So copy this. Do not copy the name. Copy it. Put it in here. Now copy this. Copy. And remove this one. Now paste it. You see so much error. Just post delegate without error. And don't forget the comma just to finish a declaration. Make a connection and finish with this comma. Like, oh, you are the method, but for now, I ignore the name of you. So, or if I ignore the name of you, so what is my name at this time? Oh, show message. Call me as show message. This technique is so-called anonymous function. If you bring it back, for example, back in here, oh, for example, back in here, oh, this method like before, but for now, ignore the method name. Just put it at delegate. It means I have no name, but I transfer this process for you to you. Hiểu được đây không? This technique is so-called anonymous function. For now, this process is given the name of show message. Think about a method with name show message, open and close, and the code in here. You see, yeah. Just think about show message. Copy this into this. So it back to a normal method. So delegate means I have no name. I transfer the name for you and you this one as my name. So I am a method without name. I am a anonymous method. So this is a anonymous method. Just focus on the process. Just focus on the process. Delegate means I transfer for you this process. And for now, you stand for me. And you is a show message method. It's okay? Now, but I want to print out the event, so make a modification on it. If I divide by 2 with the remainder of 0, oh. So for now, we have the method to print out the even number, but we do not define the method explicitly. We define the method on the go or make the contract between the method and the delegate named. So for now, print out the method. Print. So my set to see the result, the list of even number. Now run it to see the result. So amazing. It's okay. Run it. Don't forget to call the method. And for now, the method will replace the method name like this. So message with the for and print out. So at this time, there are two methods. No, one method and one name. And one method, two name as a traditional, but one method, no name. Call it as this one. Anonymous method. Run. Oh, run. Wow. Oh, no. I make a even number. Run it to see the even number. The list of integer. Oh, the list of even number here is okay. Oh, I like of a new line. Just put a new line in here. New line in here. Just because in the previous we call to bring out the from 1 to 0, 1 to 1,000, 100, and we do not create a new line. So create a new line like this. Or using verbatim. You remember verbatim? Verbatim, you just you the assign here and repeat with the enter. Now, check it again. For now, you can declare a method without it. But remember to use it. You only use it accompanied with the delegate. Chỉ được dùng nó với delegate. Yeah. So, the list of even number from 1. Ngon. It's okay. Now,
Sorry, can I ask a question?
yeah. You can ask.
What's the advantage of using an anonymous function?
Pardon?
What? Anonymous.
I don't got your message.
What's the advantage of using an anonymous function?
Whenever to use the anonymous method. Yeah, I will talk about how to use this one. Today we just understand what it is, and the next class session I will tell you when to use this technique. Yeah, we apply it for the link queue and apply it for the losing the losing and use it as a dependency injection. I will have an example to use it in the real case, real life, in the next class session. Is it okay for you?
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Yeah, just because, just understand about the syntax and how to create a anonymous method first. And the next class session, we will apply it in the real project. I promise about it. Yeah. It's okay for you?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah. Okay. Just wait me in until the next class session. Yeah. Now, in the next level, you see that there are 3 ways to do this. To call a method. The first one, create a method as traditional, call it directly. The second one, use the delegate. The next, use the delegate, but use anonymous. 4 ways. The first one is the declaration as traditional method. Oh, I always use the delegate already. Now, move to the last one, the third one. Using lambda expression. Lambda expression. Some other guy asked me whenever to use the anonymous method. In the next class session, we will work with how to use it, how to apply it in the project. Today, just understand about the how to write an anonymous method. But in the next class section, I promise to you all, it's so exciting, so exciting. Now, create a new project just because it's like a mess. So, project mới, new project, version 3, delegate, review, version 3. Now, we work with the method in the format of void and take no input. We do it again. Delegate void, no input, no output. Delegate again. We work with method like void app. It's okay. Now, I ask you a challenge, another challenge. Print out the list of odd number. From 1 to 100. It's so easy, số lẻ. Like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. It's the same with the even number, but use delegate. Now, no input, output. Do not create a separate method like. Now, back to this. If we use as a traditional static void print odd number. If you do not know how to deal with the anonymous, just write the methods as normal and copy the code and replace and reduce and remove some redundant character. Now, of course, in this is for and check E with the remainder of the division with the number 2 not equal with 0. Check, make a for and check each of value in the loop for loop to see if it's divided by 2 with the 0 in a remainder or. Now, this method is traditional. Now, but for now, I do not use delegate in like this. But I just write the code as a normal first. print the number equal with print odd number. Oh, it's quite similar and quite easy to work with this. We are so familiar with this one. Mình quen cái này rồi. No, do not do like this. No, do like this. Just copy the code. Copy the code equal with. Now, copy the code in here. Put it in here. Don't forget the comma to finish the statement, but do not forget the delegate. It's okay. For now, make the and run the method like print the numbers first. That's all. To make the template, and we begin with make some amazing thing in the next minute. Nào, phải làm cái này cái template trước đã để tính. Now, for CW, the list of odd number from 0 to 100. 1 to 100. For enter. Oh, no, for tab. If stay focused. If I equal with, not equal with 2, you are the odd number. CW. I write like Java concatenation. Construct a new string by separate ones, smaller ones. Check it. If we print out the odd number already, and later on I will reduce and remove some redundant character to make the function and the body of method is more concise and more shortened without the delegate. Be patient with me. In next class section, I will talk about when to use delegate, when to use anonymous. But today, just understand about the syntax. Now, make it as a startup project and run it. Odd number? Okay. Oh, there's something wrong. If I equal not sorry. No, 0. Remainder. It is a delegate. Call a method, but method has the no name. Use the name via the nickname. Hiểu đến đây chưa? Ông luật sư cũng chả cần phải nhớ thân chủ tên là gì. Được ủy quyền rồi, cái hợp đồng có thêm chuyển tiền chơi. Giả bộ vậy đi. Now, move the code more shortened. Keep it the same. Copy it. Copy it in the below. Make a new one. Now, keep the delegate to make a reference. Control K C. Now, we use the delegate mean anonymous in the code. This code is called anonymous methods. Mean I have no name. This is my body, the body of method here, but I have no name. I show my name for this one. Delegate mean I give you name. You take my name. You are mine. Bạn là tôi. Okay. Now, Remove one. Now, a little. Oh, delegate means, no, I don't want to use delegate here. Why? Just because I am belong to this sentence, I am belong to delegate kind here. So, delegate is redundant. Remove it. Remove it. Remove this one. And make with this one. Oh, no error. This is a so-called lambda expression. Don't make it confuse with body expression. It's not kind of body expression. Body expression means a method with only one statement, and we see the full name of the method. No name of method and multiple lines. So the expression body share the same character with lambda expression, but it's a different context. If you want to make a method that use the expression body, use write this static void app, for example, app, and expression body mean here CW ahihi. But remember that with this one, you see the method name like this. Method name like this. And a statement. But what is the method name? Oh, no. Method name is a pass or delegate to this one. And multiple lines. Multiple lines. If you try to add one method, one statement in here, like where there's console, for example, if you try to put a method like this, wrong, error, just because expression body just allow only one statement. Expression body chỉ cho phép một lệnh thôi nhá. So with this symbol, one statement, why don't you put two statements? Làm sao có hai lệnh? Không cho. So, if you want to use expression body, no, only one statement and remove the second one. So, remember that expression body use but with the full name of method and the body of method and the body of method has only one statement. Remember this. If you encounter a question in the final exam, ask the similarity and the difference between the expression body and the lambda expression, you know how to choose the correct answer. The expression body can apply for any kind of method with the one statement. Can apply with a traditional method with one statement in the body. But lambda expression apply only for in the delegate context, and it's a kind of anonymous method. So if in the exam, final exam test, there is a true-false question like, does is the lambda expression is a kind of anonymous method? Is that true? But anonymous method does not mean a lambda expression, simply because we write like this. This is the not called a lambda expression. Lambda expression use the special character. You still use the delegate here, mean anonymous. But lambda is anonymous just because we have no name of a method in here. We delegate it to this one. So, conclusion like, a lambda expression is a anonymous method, but not in the opposite way. So, expression body. Now, is quite the same and similar, but different in lambda expression. Take a note on it. Lambda expression, tiếng Anh gì tiếng Việt là biểu thức, is a kind of anonymous method, and it's used only in delegate context. It's also used character like expression body, but the method can have many line of code, many statements. Expression body, only one statement. So, you know, now run it. It's not a problem. So you know how to work with lambda expression. And again, how to use it and when to use it. Whenever you use delegate, you can use three of this. But where and when to apply it? Next class section. Now, we move to another challenge, for the last challenge for today. So take a note on this. I am so disappointed about you. You do not work as well you promised like in the previous semester. So it depends on you. It's your life, not my life. Busy, but with effectively and productivity. Not busy with nothing. I am so disappointed about you. I don't know why it's always to automatically the volume is down. Now we move to the last challenge for today. We work with a method with only one no input. How about the method with the input? And how about the expression body? No, lambda expression apply for a method with the input. One input and two input. So how to write a method with the expression with the lambda expression? So if you know and understand about the delegate, understand about the anonymous method, so a method with the two or three different input is the same. Now we create the version 4 for the working with the method with the input and with the return value. Now nearly the same. It's the same with Java. In my slide regarding to Java, Java also has the lambda expression already, but it's used the single arrow. In Java, in C# use the double side arrow. Đó, Java nó dùng nét đơn. C# dùng nét kép. It's the same, but a little challenge, little difference between the Java. Java, if you want to use the lambda expression in Java, you must work with interface, functional interface. But for the C#, no need interface. But we still have the lambda expression. It's a big difference between the Java and the C#. You can download this slide in my GitHub. in the cheat sheet and Java OOP repo. But for now, we write it again in the C# context. Now, create the last project for today. Add new project. Next. Delegate review version 4 and make it as a start a project. Now, also, for now, we want to have a method with one input. For example, I give you a number and you print out the number from the 1 to the number you given. Now, challenge. Working with method that take the input, one input and many input. Many input. Return or not return is not no problem. Now, delegate void. Just void. One input, no output. Delegate. And if you want to mention about a method with one input, int, for example, n. So I stand for all the method like void app int x. Nearly the same with the previous project. Now, just I ask you a question, a challenge for it. Print out the list of integers from 1 to n. N depend on you pass it. N pass it. Pass it. As an argument now you do not know how to wait, just write the method as a traditional and later on convert it to delegate, later on convert it to anonymous, later on convert it to expression body. I give you more and more the practice and to master about it, and later on you can write it directly instead of step by step like this. But we make a method step by step like static void print list numbers. It's okay. Numbers and take one parameter like x. CW, the list of numbers from 1 to what? To x. For tab in I equal with 1, I equal smaller than CW. It's so easy to write this method. Right? I you can do the interpolation. The same. Now, how to do it? Call it directly in here. It's easy. But do it in the context of delegate. So one input print nums equal with parent number. Just check it to make sure our algorithm is correctly. Print nums. Run it to see the result first. Oh, error. Why? Why? We encounter error. Lack of a number passing. Yeah, missing a parameter. So 100. 1000 for big, bigger and huge. Let's run it. Now, 1 to 1000. Oh, it's okay. 1000. Now, but it's the traditional way. Why don't we do anonymous? And later on, remove some redundant character to have lambda expression. So, now, remove all of it, just take the body of method and copy it into the above code. It's okay? Now, keep it as an original one and make the new declaration. And later on, instead of make a method like explicitly, we remove the redundancy. Now, copy it. Copy this one. Do not need the method name. Why? Just because we can use the nickname. So always we have a name. But instead of using two names, only one name. Pass in here, and tap it. But delegate. It's okay? Because you know how to write the delegate. So later on, you do not think about write it separately. Just think about, oh, delegate first. I handle my name for you. Keep my name. I have no name. And the rest is the body of method as normal. But don't forget to put the comma here to finish the VIP statement. VIP means to finish the statement, the agreement. I give you a name, and even I have no name. Delegate means I give you a name. Take my name. I have no name. Now, run it. It's the same result. And the next level, I want to do lambda expression. Lambda expression is the next and the special version of delegate of anonymous. So keep it, copy it a little, copy it, copy, and Control K C to keep the original one, and for now paste it. Now remove the redundant character. We remove this. No, I do not need it. This one. Remove it, but this is my body. It's okay. For now, this is the lambda expression. Lambda expression. Do not run it. No need to run it just because no error. Syntax error means everything runs well. Now, copy it again, version 1. Now, copy this one Copy this. Copy this. So exciting for now. So exciting. I promise. Control C. Control V. To have the version 2. Control C. See that? Our knowledge is level up, level up, level up. Now, you see, I make a little explanation. You see, oh, what does it mean of? I mean, if you copy it and paste it next this one, it's like a method like normal. Có đúng không? Mình copy cái này. Now, for example, I copy this and put it next this side. It's this method. Again, to restore the method again. Now, back to this. You can remove the X already. Sorry, you can remove the data type already. Why? Just because print number is this guy belong to this data type, and upper to see, oh, this data type already take one parameter like this with the in parameter in here. So the lambda extension allows you to remove the data type. Remove this. Oh, done it. So what does it mean of X? Oh, X is the parameter of this method. What does the format of this method? Go to the up to check the format of method. So in this case, in and so in this case, X means integer. It's okay. We have a reference in the above. Now run it to see. For now, you are so now you can reduce, shorten the lambda extension in the exhaustive way. Now, copy it. Version 3, the last version. Copy it. The version 3 and remove. Make a command like this. Control C. Now, you even can remove the open and close brackets. So for now, it makes like a expression, more like a expression instead of a method. So you can even remove. No, do not remove X. Remove X means, oh, this method take no parameter. No, it's always need at least one parameter as a format of this one. So X, no need to have the open and close round bracket. But now, version 4, Control C. Version 4, Control C, version 4. You know that I love my dream girl, Ngọc Trình. So I can name, that is the name of variable. So I try Ngọc Trình here. It's no problem. Variable, you can name whatever you want. And this is Ngọc Trình. Ngọc Trình is my dream hogger. Yeah. Ngọc Trình, not problem. So, in the upper, you name the variable input as X, N, and Y, and something like that. So I name a Ngọc Trình. Ngọc Trình is just a variable name. So, you know how to run, how to work with lambda expression. It's okay. Run well. And these are standard. It's the most favorite format of using lambda expression. Don't worry about if we have the multiple way to write the lambda expression. I will help you and write down a conclusion about the format of using lambda expression. Don't worry about that. We will have a time to write down the coding convention whenever you work with the lambda expression. Just take a look on how to write it and to understand about how to write it. At first, we will make a conclusion later. The last project today begin. We work with the 2 or 3 input. How the lambda expression in this case. Nào ta sẽ làm cái hàm cuối cùng. Hàm nhận 2-3 tham số. You will see the so exciting and đỉnh của job. Now, new project. The last project for today. I don't know why the volume of the recording on way to turn to low. Now, last project for today. Quickly, add new project. Delegate overview version 5. I promise that you see no video on the YouTube to teach you about the delegate lambda expression like me. No video on the internet shows you the step by step like me. Yeah. And for now, you can never forget about the story behind the delegate. I show you the story behind the scene more clearly. Version 5, version 5, the last version. Next. Now, for now, I ask you to compute the rectangle area. And make a power calculation. Now, challenge. We work with the method that take 2 or more parameter. 2 or more is the same. 2 parameter, 3 parameter, and so on is the same. And you will see a funny story supplied by Microsoft. Microsoft gives you a method with the 16 parameters. 16 parameters I will talk in the next class session. Microsoft offers you some kind of the method that reach to the 16 parameters. But for now, 16 or 2 or 3 is the same. Now, we declare a delegate one or more input. No output. Delegate void. I like a void. I just written nothing, but I need more and more more parameter. Int, double x, double y. Since we calculate the area is a double number instead of integer. So this is equivalent with the method like void app double width, for example, double length, for example. Now, of course, we use anonymous, not use the method explicitly, but to make sure that you practice more and more to understand the format of how to write anonymous and lambda, I write the method again in explicitly way. Static void compute rectangle area and take 2 input, double width, double length, and of course CW the area is width multiply with length. Right, like in a C and Java. But if you write in a more modern way, you can write the error is interpolation and open and close string like this. It depends on you. We do not need to print out the width and the length for the sake of the time. Call this method as normal by using compile rectangle area. But for now, it's a hint for you to, it's a hint for us to write the anonymous and lambda expression. So how to write? We have the delegate in here. So now, more input, rồi compare something, equal with what? Equal with what? Copy this, copy this, copy this again. Don't forget to put the delegate first. Later on, the method, the body of method. Don't forget to put the VIP statement, comma. And for now, to reduce the redundancy, now the first version, copy it, and paste it second one. Control K C. Now, for now, we will remove some redundant. Remove delegate. Remove. But with an error, we like off the double size arrow. No error found. You see? And the next version, Control C as a previous version. Control C. Remove the data type. Remove the data type as a previous project. Control K C. Now, no need to talk about the double and double. Just because we have the definition of the method format in the upper already whenever we define the delegates. So, remove this one. No, I do not need you. No, I do not need width and length. It's okay. The next version. The next version. Copy it. Control V. Since I know that this method contains only one statement, remove the open and close bracket. We have only one statement. No need open and close bracket. Like expression body, but no expression body. We need to full method with the full name. For now, we are under the context of the lambda expression, but it allows you to remove the open and brackets if we have a method with a one statement. Vậy nếu hàm mà chỉ có một thì lúc này nó giống như expression body, dẹp mẹ luôn. Nhưng vẫn là lambda vì we are under the delegate context. The method with the lack of the method name, lack of data type, not a full signature of a method. Hàm này không có đầy đủ thông tin như cái expression body. Now, remove this one, remove, and move this one into this. So compute something by give me the width and length. I will return the width with multiply with the length. So exciting. And call it compute something. So for now, the compute something means a method with the two different variables. So like up. Why? Open it. Open. Give me two number. No name, but take my name and pass me two parameter. 5 and 10. You see, we have the 50 in the output. Exciting. Oh, sorry. I forgot to make the setup. As I said before, you see no video like me in the YouTube. I give you how to construct a lambda expression step by step with the background understanding. So remember this class section. I don't know why. There is a confliction between the streaming in the this one and the confliction between the OBS tones and the microphone of the Google Meet. ChatGPT Google Meet also use the microphone, and I also use the microphone. But if I make a live stream, this one put directly into YouTube. No confliction of microphone. Now, the last code for today. The last one. The real last one for today. The real last one. Be patient with me. Now, I want to write down the method to compile the rectangle error, but return a value. Return. Instead of write down, return void, the last project for today. Quickly. Now, 6 in the Vietnamese meaning is a lucky number. Add new project. Next. Now, delegate review version 6. Now, make it as a startup. Now, the challenge, the last challenge for today. Write a method to compile rectangle area and return the area. Return. So for now, we have a method like double up, double with double length. Quite sure about that. Length. Now, delegate first. Delegate double. I will return a number. More input and one return, one output. Sorry. You understand? Nhiều đầu vào, một đầu ra. And you know, we need a double x, double y. No matter what the name of variable, you can name it at whatever you want. With or and A and B and something like that is not a problem. Now, as a traditional way, I also give you the way to write the method as a traditional. First, static double compiled rectangle area double x and y. No, I do not use x. Width and double length. Width. Open and close brackets. Why we have the error like this? Why? Yeah, we have to return. Yeah, correctly. We have to return, must return something. Return what? Width multiply with length. Can we use this method, write this method like expression bar body? It's okay. So the second version of this one is I make a comment. Control K C. We use the expression bar body. Not if you use expression body, do not need to use return. This is a expression body, not lambda expression, just because it has a full name as a traditional way. Remember this? And it's not under the context of delegate, a normal method. Now, so how to use this one? It's easy. Double result area, equal with, call the method compelled rectangle area as normal 5 and 10. It's okay. And CW, the area. Just because this method does not print out the results, so I have to print out. So we need to print out the first and the later. It depends on the way you design the method. Check it to make sure that the method runs correctly, and we convert it to zero delegate for the last. Now, it's okay. But I do not want to use that. That is a more traditional way. Control K C. No, we use in the modern way, more input one method. Compelled area, for example, equal with. Take to this. Oh, for now. Copy it. By using delegate first, if you want, but for now, ignore the delegate. Copy it. Control V is the first way, but still can reduce the. No, not to use this. Reduce. Now, no need double, no need width, no need length. Oh, like expression. Actually, expression. So how to understand this one? Oh, I have a method with the compute area name. Take the two input width and length and return with multiply with length. This is the best practice, and everyone developer around the world use this. Like expression, it's like in mathematical, a smart subject. It's a top. Now, so how to do it? CW, the area. Compute area as normal. So you are a method. Oh, Now, I declare a area separate for you to do not make you more confused. Compare area. Give me 10 and 10. And for now, write the area again. But you know, I can't put it compare area like a method with the width and length. Return with length. This is another way to use CW. We use the interpolation. $sign the area equal with compare area. You are a method with the two different parameters and put it in 5 and 5. So for now, there are two different versions of area, 100 and the 25. Check the results. It's so exciting whenever you work with a lambda expression. Now, before turn off the computer, the real last method. Compare the power. Like 10 mean 2 so how to produce this number if I pass 2 and 10? So how to write it? Write it and see. I want to see the message and we go home. How? Viết một cái hàm mới. A new method take two input instead of we multiply and we will multiple many times. Tức là hàm mũ thôi. Nào, exponent. This is exponent function. Hàm mũ. Now, write a new, more, the last code for today. Compare exponent equal with what? We need two parameters. So A and B. For example, no matter what you name the variable. And how to compare it and return? Math.how means this is a method of math in Java, like in Java. It's okay. We finish the method of if someone still make a confused static, double compute exponent. If I write it's a more exponent, double A, double B, and we return math.how the library of SDK to make a exponent A and B. So you know how to copy this into this and remove the redundant character. To check it, compare exponent. Exponent give me number 2 and 10. We will with the 1024, but it return a value, and you want to see the value, you must print out. So CW, the magic number. Wait, compare exponent. For now, the method does not have the real name, but use the nickname by using delegate. For now, it's okay. And you know that the variable is not strictly in the name. And for now, in the Vietnamese showbiz, we have Nam Em and Nhã Phương is two famous girls in the showbiz. So for now, I name Nam Em. Oh, it's the name of the hot girl, another hot girl I love. And Nhã Phương, no matter what the variable name you want to. And Nhã Phương and Nam Em cooperation with, and we have a trauma power. So Nam Em and Nhã Phương. You can use your country name like it. And you see the showbiz in the exponent effect, một cái hiệu ứng truyền thông cực lớn. And for now, the same result. So, like you name Nhã Phương here and Nam Em here. That's all about the delegate and lambda expression. And I hope that you will see that it's a so exciting thing to mention about. And the next class section, we will talk about how to do it in the real project. It's make your project is more and more expandable. Yeah, I promise about this. Yeah, to apply this one. And I will give you the full application of this technique in the next class session. So I hope you to do not miss the next class session. Yeah, do not miss the class session. Thank you for today. Yeah. So I finished the class and see you in the next class session.